walk around video with the car running. This car drives as it would if it was brand new. I have a couple Cadillacs myself and have had them for a long time. I know these cars well. And this one is very nice. Turn the lights on. Look at that interior. The white leather with the black piping, with the black exterior, is to die for. All the windows go up and down perfectly. The top goes up and down. I'll do a video of that as well. The interior lights work. Radio works. The push button stuff go on
that is literally contrary.
She better not park that shopping cart that was in that 20-foot.
Because they can't get revenue from the homeless, Dan.
Yeah.
Well, Leland, the fact that the city or legislature, the state legislature in this case, couldn't solve all the problems.
Radio works, speakers work.
It doesn't have the power to solve this.
Put the antenna back down. Goes down perfectly. And the engine runs very smooth.